Welcome to our website, the fastest way to find a home in this area. We asked hundreds of home buyers what they wanted in a real estate website, and the top 3 requests were every listing from every real estate company in one place, prompt removal of sold and expired listings, fast updates for new listings. Our incredible home search tool pulls the local listings directly from the MLS, Multiple Listing Service. It's the same source that is used by licensed real estate agents and gives you up-to-the-minute data, unlike some of the third-party national real estate search sites on the web, which tend to have outdated information. Once you have signed up for an account on our site, and you'll receive new property email alerts, price change alerts. You'll have access to all detailed property information, virtual pictures, and you'll be able to track your favorite properties. Save searches to view later. We've built our entire website to give you the largest, fastest, and most accurate database of homes along with our best local user experience. Sign up today to receive daily updates on new homes on the market that meet your set criteria. If you find a home you would like to see, just click on the Schedule Showing link and we will contact you as soon as possible.